can see back here, and you'll see the crosshair, and then you'll see a dot appear there, and that will let you know that the sun is lined up with it.
We are practicing for the upcoming eclipse. We're gonna have similar setup that we have in the back, all across the path of the eclipse, about 35 sites, everyone having the same equipment, and we are gonna take data for the eclipse, polarization data, specifically to study the corona of the sun. It's gonna be an incredible opportunity because we're not getting a total solar eclipse in US for a long time, especially in Maine. Last time it happened was 1963, and we're not getting another one till 2079. We want to compile all of that data into about an hour-long movie. What we get to see is how the corona is evolving over time. So we get to see the activity on sun that's happening, which we don't get to see usually. Total solar eclipses are just incredible, like things you like see once in your lifetime and you remember it for your lifetime.